Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you the Maggie Holmes Garden Party kit. This is kit number 2. The first one is already sold. If you haven't seen that video already, just take a look at that video. I'll put the link down below as well. So for this kit I have different elements, paper cardstock from the collection, sticker sheets, chipboard pieces. Now I'll share them one by one with you. So let me first start off with the beautiful flowers that will come in this kit. They all differ per kit, and in this kit you will have a variety of all these beautiful colors, and these are wild ochre crafts paper flowers, as well as some other brands, and you will also have a hand crochet piece, but these will come also in another package as well. So that's the first item that I wanted to share. Then you have in this beautiful box a variety of different elements. I'll open her up and show them one by one. First of all, you have this gorgeous cutout, which is a word, a quote that says bloom. It's heat embossed, powder embossed. So that's the first item there. Then there is a variety of different flowers, and all these flowers have a base of cardstock, watercolor cardstock. So they have a beautiful quality, also beautiful nice structure, and beautiful details, as you can see here. I just love these elements to add on to projects. Also two made for you items, which is a teapot and a slice of a cake. Both of them are heat embossed. Again, this one is with gold and this one is with white, and I just love it. That's for that. Then there is a bundle of different styles of trims, which is this one, braided one. This one is sort of baker's twine. Quite a large amount of these two as well. And also these two will come in here. Then you have some little trinkets and tassels, a pompon on a dangle here, so as a dangle. These, a beautiful piece there of applique, some gorgeous resin pieces as well. So these are all elements that you can combine perfect with this collection. And then there's a beautiful half a yard of this beautiful mesh, dotted mesh, and then this beautiful applique here, lace applique. So that's for this beautiful box. This is already made for you as well, so you can reuse everything that's inside the box as well as the box itself, to gift up some items for you to create with or to swap with. So that's for this one. And then it's sliced like so. And this is a beautiful frame and a cabbage flower, which is also a hand crocheted piece. And they have beautiful baby pink colors, so they are also perfect for this collection. And a dimensional flower that will come in this box. I'll open it up. So you see the beautiful cardstock flower, pretty dimensional and ready for you to place it on your projects, as well as this gorgeous box as well, of course. I also have a bundle of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 laces, and these are also approximately like a half a yard. So this will also be perfect for your projects as well. And I just love the pink ones, and this teeny tiny one here is such a beautiful. I just love that one as well. So that's for that. And also some leaf trim here in gold and in green. These two will come as well in the kit. Then from the garden party set, I have the two washi tapes. This one is with beautiful green with some dots, and this is the beautiful roses, and they are beautiful quality. I just love them. Then from the sticker roll, I have a piece of the roses and a piece of the ribbon. This is how it will repeat itself in the roll. So you have the complete set of all the beautiful roses or flowers, and all the set of the bows will come in this kit as well. And these are the frames that I heat embossed with gold. So these are just perfect elements with, as you can see, if you add it to the thicker sheets, sticker sheets, you see the beautiful resemblance of the color itself, but also from the layout, as you can see there. So this is the sheet that will also come, the puffy. Let me see if I can turn it around. No, I'll put it like so you can see. So this is the thicker sheet that will come in this kit as well. I also added from the sticker book, I added 4 sheets. So these 4 sheets will be included in your kit. This one, this one, this beautiful one with the girl and the bikes, just love them, and a black and white one. Such a cute collection. And the 68 stickers will also be included, so the whole package will be in there as well. Then I have the ephemera pieces. I tried to create a selection for you, so they have vellum pieces as well as cardstock pieces. I'll open it up so you will see what's inside. So the beautiful birdie there, some quotes, some fishtail, cardstock pieces, a rose here, a gorgeous tag with gold foil, and then these sort of tags or cardstock pieces as well, so elements which you can use separately, and these 2 vellum pieces. So that's for this one. Then I also created a set of hearts which are heat embossed themselves. So I heat embossed, but I did myself. So that one. And a set of another layered, beautiful layered flowers here. And gorgeous cupcakes. This is white, this one is pink, gold, and sort of mint green color with gold. I just love that one as well. And I also have a beautiful set of enamel dots for you. So then we'll go to the papers and the chipboard piece, which is this one. The complete chipboard set will come in this kit, which have 53 pieces, and I have larger ones and smaller ones. So in this collection they have like a beautiful variety and beautiful size for you to use on tags, whatever project you're working on. And this is the papers. I'll take them all out. So again, this is a double-sided set. So this is the back. And this page is called Garden Greens. Then the beautiful counterpart sheet as well, which is called Garden Scroll. Let me see if I stroll, I mean not scroll, but stroll. So, and this is the back. Then this is also one of my favorites, like the library cards. These are called taking notes. This is the front and this is the back. Very beautiful minty color. And then the last page is the blooming, which is also one of my favorite papers, and this is the back. So these are all the papers, and the entire kit is called Maggie Holmes Garden Party Kit 2. And this is available as soon as you see this video. So if you're interested, please let me know, because the kits, they go pretty fast. And yeah, I know a lot of you ladies love to craft with this new collection. So grab your chance to yeah, have this in stock at your home, and to create with this beautiful collection itself. So cannot wait to hear what you think about the kit, and also what you think about the collection. Please leave a comment down below if you're interested, and I'll contact you as soon as possible. So I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.